Hi! Today I would like to show you how you can transfer files from iPhone 13 Pro Max to an Android device. First of all, you need to open App Store on iPhone and Play Store on an Android. Then tap on the search bars, type in Send Anywhere, and get this free app from those developers. When your app is ready, open it. Now, in order to use it on iPhone, you need to tap on Allow access to all photos in this pop-up, and then select wherever you wish to in all the other ones. So I will go with Ask App Not to Track, Don't Allow, and over here No Thanks. When you're ready, select Close this window and click on Not Now over here if you wish to. And close this pop-up by choosing OK. Now, if you disabled notifications, you need to click on Cancel in this pop-up. Finally, open it on an Android. And in order to operate on it, tap on I accept, confirm, continue and allow. Then do exactly the same with this newsletter pop-up. Now you need to choose Send at the bottom left corner of your iPhone and tap on Receive over here next to Send on an Android. Finally, you can click on all of those categories and tap on Select next to files that you wish to transfer. When you're ready, click on Send over here. It will take a lot of time to transfer all of those files now, so I will go with only one. For example, that one. Click on Send and tap on Got It in the pop-up. Now on an Android, tap on one of those options, just close this window, and finally we have the ways to connect. We can scan this QR code by tapping on the scanning icon here next to input key, choosing while using the app or only this time, and pointing this device's camera at the QR code. But we can also select the back button and input this key over here instead. In order to connect, hit Receive. And now, as you can see, after a while, my file was successfully transferred. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!